Hello and welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Marvin from MB Studio, and today's video is all about tutorial. We will talk about the interface window of the Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. But before that, let's have intro.
This is not paid advertisement. I use my own footages, but I am not the owner of the application. In music background, no copyright infringement intended. Credits to the respective owners. This is for educational purposes only.
Yes, I'm back. We'll talk about the interface window of the Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. Let's get it on! First, just open the Premiere Pro. This is the home page of the Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's try new project. Then of course the name. So this is the new project. So title, name, introduction to Premiere Pro 2020. Then the location, so browse. So I will be put on my drive B. That's it. So no changes for this. Also on this tab. So let's click OK. So this is the interface window of the Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. So we have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. The number 1, this is the project window. Project window basically is where to store the video files such as photos, clips, footages, and audio files. So let's have samples. Right click in the project window, then go to import. So select your files, then open. There. So as you can see, different icons in this side. So this icon is for photo. This icon is for video or clips, and this icon is for audio file. To organize your media files, so we have to put some folder here. So just select this folder, new bin, then for example photos, right? Photos. Then select all your photos, then so drag it to the photos. So there. Then another way is right click, then select new bin. So rename it into clips or footages. Enter. Select all footages and drag it to the folder. So there. And oops, there's one more clips here. Okay. Then for audio file, so right click, new bin, then audio. So drag it to the audio folder. Okay. Another tab in project windows, this effects. So this is the effects library. So basically all effects are stored here. So it has audio effects, audio transition, video effects, and video transition. The second is source window. On this window, you can select a piece of your clip on your footages and you can drag it to the timeline window. So back to the project window, select your footages, so just double click your footages and it will show up to the source window. For example, your clip is like 2 minutes, then if you want to only get like 5 seconds for your best shot, so you can do it here. So for example, so just play it. So select your file or select your very best shot. So for example, with this one, hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for example that one, so move it little backward, then put this mark in or letter I to your keyboard. So just click, then play. So that is the mark in, meaning so this is the marking at the beginning of your clip. And then select the mark out of your clip. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So there, for example, you want to post it there or you want to cut there, so just select this mark out or letter O on your keyboard. So this clip, you can drag it to the timeline window, which is this number 3 window. For example, this selected clip you want to edit, so just drag it to the timeline window, so which is the number 3 window. So this is the file, so this is your clip. Okay, hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so on source window, you can select footages or audio only. So this tiny icon here, this is for the video. So just drag this icon and put it to your timeline window. So there. So this is your video only. Okay, for the audio only, so this icon is for audio, so select this one and drag it to the timeline window. So this one, hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, what else? On source window, you can find also the effects control. This one. So this is the effects control. Basically controls your effects. So for example, like this one, this position, so you can drag it left and right. Okay. You can drag it up and down, or even if you want to bigger scale or smaller scale. We will make another video for this effects control, so stay tuned for that. Okay, the third one is timeline window. So from here you can edit your work of art. So you can cut the files, you can extend the files, you can cut it, or you can delete, or you can put some effects, transitions, and etc. Basically, this window is for editing. We have two parts for this timeline window, which is the upper part and the lower part. So on the upper part, which is this is the video track, so we can add more video tracks by choosing the clip then just drag upward, then one track will be added. Okay, so also in audio, so you can add audio track by selecting the audio file, then put it on the downward part. It will add one audio track. Okay, that's it. So this is the playhead. So playhead is the reader. The playhead reads the topmost of the videos. So for example, for this one, so I have two clips. This is the first clip and this is my second clip. So if you put it together, so this is my topmost clip. So this will be only showed on program window. Then as you can see on this part, so we have this icon, like this is the eye. So basically there is an on and off for this eye if you're trying to off this video track number 1. So you can press it here, then this video will be disabled. So for example this one, so I will turn it off for this video. So video 2, so this video 2 is disabled by this icon. So if I turn it on, so the video clip is, if I turn it off, so the first video will appear. So if I turn it on, the video 2 will be showing. Okay, so same thing here on the audio file. This icon M stands for mute the track, and S for solo track. So if we have, so for example we have two tracks and we play it together. Okay, so if you're going to choose solo, so the audio 2 will be only in solo mode. So there's no audio 1 playing. But if I press mute, so this will be muted.
Hello and welcome back to my channel.
Okay, so that's it for the timeline window. Next is the program window. So this is the program window. So basically program window is the monitor for the timeline window. So if the playhead is right here, so all under to this playhead will be showing on this program window. So that's the basically job for the program window. So just like basically it's a monitor.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Marvin from MB Studio.
The last window is Toolbar. So this is the Toolbar. So basically Toolbar is where you can find the tools, of course. So we have three basic tools we're going to use. So number 1 is selection tool. So this is the selection tool, and back to the timeline window we can select some clips or audio, then we can separate, or we can move it to the left, to the right, and there. Then we can zoom in, we can zoom out. The second is the razor tool. So this tool is for cutting the clips. So for example,
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome back to my channel.
so we're going to cut on this portion. So for example, so click this razor tool and place it over the playhead line, then cut. So go back to selection tool or just press letter V on your keyboard. So that's the shortcut. So then select and delete.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Marvin from Benitez.
Okay. So, and the third one is the type tool. So this is the type tool. So the letter T, type tool. So you can write text on your clip. So for example, this one. So okay, and I will type example. My name is Marvin. Okay, so make it bigger, then that's it. Play.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Marvin from Benitez. Today's video is all about video.
Or we can edit again. So just double click this clip, then select type tool, then make it edit. So for example, welcome back to my channel.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Marvin from Benitez. Today's video is all about tutorial.
Okay guys, that's it for today, and I hope you learned something. Alright, and stay tuned for more video tutorial. If you find the videos helpful, please click the like button, put your comment down below, and hit that subscribe, including the notification bell to notify you for the new upcoming videos. Alright, bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!